lalo na sa panahong ito, kung saan kailangan talaga naming makita yung ray of hope na out of what happened to the governor, we will uncover kung sino yung mastermind, and at the same time will be the beginning of peace returning back to our province. Pag nangyari yun, parang I would like to say wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. Being able to give the governor the justice he deserves. I've been saying this. Si Ruel, Saturday, Sunday, would welcome people in our house. May number yan, 1 to 100. Imagine the burden and the stress when you listen to them one by one, mga problema nila na you try to solve. Dinala niya lahat ng head of office kasi iba-iba ang kailangan ng tao doon. Yung iba nagpa-follow up ng kanilang mga project, engineer ang linalapitan. Pag assistance, nandoon yung DSWD in charge. Lahat, kahit hindi siya lawyer, pero pag may mga nagpapatulong gob, yung problema namin sa lupa, ganito, he would strive hard to address. Kaya, when it happened, talagang, I feel so bad. But seeing the response of the national government, I will never forget what the President said. Sinabi niya, you can run, but you can never hide. At nangyari po, 4 or 5 of them, yung isa namatay, nahuli. And that is the ray of hope I am talking about, na talagang hindi malayo ang hustisya. And with the presence of all of them, nakita nila at na-feel namin ngayon na talagang pareho pala talaga tayo ng concern. We do not want our people to be terrorized, and we want Negros Oriental to remain as peaceful as it used to. Alam niyo, sa history ng Negros, walang governor na pinaslang, walang nagbarilan na mayor and yung kanyang opponent. Generally, we are peaceful people. At yun ang appeal namin, and I am happy to hear na pareho tayo ng gusto. Gusto natin ng justice, gusto natin ng peace, and with all of your help, and with God's willingness to help, alam ko po talaga, we will be able to see justice in the next few months.